Dear students, welcome to my class. So today I am going to discuss a new chapter that is simple past tense. So first let us know what is simple past tense. See, any action that already happened, if I say suppose I played yesterday, means which has already gone, these actions are known as simple past tense. And usually we add ed to those verbs to indicate that actions happened in the past. Usually not in all the verbs ed are added. While you will go discuss, you will understand that there are variations in the forms. Not in all cases ed are added to verbs to indicate that the actions happened in the past, but usually miss most of the time ed is added. You will get to know everything while I explain the chapter. So simple past tense means the things that already happened in the past. See, there is a paragraph on someone. Here it is mentioned that it is about Karan, means what he did yesterday. So a description is given about him. So let's read the paragraph. Look at the question. Underline the verbs that show what Karan did yesterday. Look here, there are pictures of cakes, muffins, muffins are there, chocolates are there. So let's see the paragraph. Yesterday I visited my grandparents. I carried some cakes and muffins for them. Muffins means spongy cakes. These are muffins. So yesterday Karan visited his grandparents and he carried some cakes and muffins for them. They loved the sweet muffins and cakes, and the grandparents, they loved those cakes and muffins. When he went there, his grandmother prepared burgers. Burgers is a food where meat or other vegetables are put into a round flat shape and then fried and given. After having the burgers, I cleaned up the table. I thanked grandma and grandpa for the lovely burgers. So when Karan went to grandmother's house with cakes and muffins, his grandmother prepared burgers, and after he had eaten the burgers, he cleaned the table. Then he thanked his grandmother, to whom he calls grandma, and his grandfather, that is grandpa, for the lovely burgers. I stayed there for till 8 p.m. Then he stayed there for till 8 p.m. in her grandmother's home. Just then, father arrived. I waved goodbye to my parents. He waited there. He stayed in grandmother's home till 8 p.m. Then his father arrived, and he waved and he went away with his father. And while going, he waved goodbye to his grandparents. So these are the sentences which happened in the past. See, in the first word indicates that the actions happened in the past, yesterday. If it is today, then present, and if it is tomorrow, then it will be future. So right now I'm discussing about past. So yesterday indicates that the things already happened. So this paragraph is simple past tense, the things that occurred yesterday. So question is underline the verbs. So let us underline it. Usually ed is added to the verb which indicates the past tense. So let us find here. Yesterday I visited my grandparents. So visited is a simple past tense. Then you carried some cakes and muffins for them. So carried. They loved. Verbs means what? Means action words. Means the doing words are called verbs. Means the words which indicate that you do something, some actions are done. So visited, carried. Next you will find here, she loved. They loved the sweet muffins and cakes. Grandmother prepared burgers. So prepared is an action word, that is verb. After having the burgers, I cleaned up the table. So you will find here cleaned. I thanked grandma and grandpa for the lovely burgers. So thanked. I stayed there till 8 p.m. Stayed. Just then father arrived. She arrived. Next I waved goodbye to my grandparents. So waved is there. See, in all the verbs, ed is added at the end of the words. So we add ed to verbs to show that actions happened in the past. Usually it happens that ed is added to the verb. So let's look at the definition. Verbs ending in ed tell us that the action happened at a definite time in the past. These verbs are said to be in the simple past tense. So these are the verbs which indicate simple past tense. So let's solve this exercise. Question is, fill in the blanks with the simple past forms of the verbs given in the brackets. Number 1. I dash my mother to clean the house. As a chapter's name is simple past tense, so the past tense of help is helped. You have to just add ed to indicate the past tense. So I helped my mother to clean the house. Next is, I dash my shoes in the morning. Polish is there, you just add ed. I polished my shoes in the morning. We dash the car last night. Wash is there, so it will be washed. You have to just add ed. Let's go to next page. See here, number 4. It dash heavily last evening. So the in bracket it is given rain, so you have to just add ed, that is rained, rained, rained. Next is, my dog dash on me and barked. In bracket jump is there, it will be jumped. When I was a baby, I dash in Delhi. Leave, just add ed, is already there, so you have to just add d to it to make it a past tense. Next is, I dash my homework yesterday. So finish, so answer will be finished. I finished my homework yesterday. Next is, we dash football last evening, which indicates that it already happened. So play is there, it will be played. So here you found that all the verbs ends with ed, means to indicate the simple past tense, but there are also other verbs where ed is not added, but then also it indicates past tense. So we shall discuss this in the next video about the variations in past tense. So for today, let's end the class here. So thank you.